Zomba City Festival is more than an event.
Welcome to Zomba City Festival.
A celebration of art, culture, and the natural beauty of our region. Through music, dance, visual arts, and immersive experiences, Festival connects visitors to the soul of Zomba, creating unforgettable memories while boosting the local economy.
Welcome to Zomba City Festival.
Zomba City Festival is where creativity meets community, inviting the world to discover the charm and vibrancy of our city.
I said drop.
Hey. 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 International day inside. Hey. Different weekend. Different weekend. Different weekend. Different weekend. Motile moti, tifela weekend, sabala like, lelo payala alili, asana fike, ada witike, paende muanga timtinje. Tifela weekend, sabala like, lelo payala alili, asana fike, ada witike, paende muanga timtinje. Wabwela weka, tabwela ndeka, iwe dadeka, mbobota leka, wabwela weka. Tabwela ndeka, iwe dadeka, umbobota leka. Adeke, 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 different weekend, different weekend. Zigolose kwa komandi kundo, zigolose pa komandi pando.
Zomba City Festival. Experience art. Explore Zomba.